High intensity workout, week 2. For this workout, there are only 5 exercises for you to remember. There is an easier and a harder version of each exercise. These are high impact star jumps or low impact star jumps, press ups, walkouts forward to backward, or plank. Forward lunge to reverse lunge without a pause, or forward lunge. Press up walkouts hands to the side or feet to the side. Alternatively, you do a plank. Final exercise is burpees or sprinters. You will perform each exercise for 20 seconds, followed by a short rest. In between each sequence, we will perform several variations of abdominal crunches. We will then repeat the whole sequence again, completing 4 cycles of this routine.